right, here's a nice looking street rod. 1939 Chevy Master Coupe. As you can see, it's got a great looking chop on it. Colors on this: sand beige and homecoming green with kind of an orange and burgundy highlight that runs down through the center of it. In the trunk, there are 4 paint cans. So if you're looking for paint codes at all, paint colors, those will be included in a box in the trunk, as well as a front end cover for this. So that has kept this front end in nice shape for any sort of traveling you do with it. Throw that front end cover on, keep the bugs, the rock chips off of this. That will be included, as well as a car cover is in the trunk. Everything will go with this car. You'll be able to check out those in the still picture. I'll tell you how to see those in a little bit. First of all, underneath the hood, 327 small block Chevy V8 paired with a Muncie M22 manual 4-speed transmission. Also have the goodies underneath the hood. Nice equipment: power steering, power brakes, vintage AC and heat, and nice setup underneath there. We'll pop the hoods on both sides, start it up so you can hear it run here in a bit too. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see them. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on American Racing 5-spoke wheels. It is disc brakes, a little bit dark to see in there, but it is disc brakes up front. And again, those are power. This is an all steel body. Interior matches the outside. Absolutely beautiful. Kind of a sand and taupe color interior. Alpine stereo, tilt column. We'll get around to the other side. I'll open the door and show you everything too. As far as opening the doors, it does have poppers, electronic poppers. Driver and passenger side work off a key fob. Driver's side you can open manually also, in case the battery would be dead or you just want to reach down and open it manually. I'll show you how that works also. Some very nice detail in this rod. If you take a look here, let's see, a power antenna fits in there nicely. There is a switch underneath the radio that will run that up and down. Next to that switch on the radio, there's another one that is for the electronic fan that is on the radiator. Down below here, as far as opening the trunk, at about this level right over in here, there's a slide. Slide it towards the driver's side, you'll be able to unlatch the trunk. Underneath here, just inside tailpipe next to the license plate bracket, there's 2 charging posts, negative and positive, and there is also turned on and off for a battery shut off. And you'll be able to see those from the underside pictures also, so check them out. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. As you can see, a great look in the paint. Paint has a nice luster to it. Nice quality paints laid down, put on here right. Very few flaws. I did want to point out one when I got back here. Right here, just a slight crack in the paint, if you can kind of get it to show up there. But just look at the detail of even like the gas spill. Look at how clean and detailed that is. Just built very nicely. A lot of cool body work on this. And remember, check out the still pictures. Take your time, look through them. uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Now, that mechanical door opener on the driver's side, just down here, pull, door will open, and again, you have electronic poppers, so they'll also pop with a key fob. Power windows, those do work. It's a smoked glass that is on there, so tinted windows. Take a look at these seats. Power seats, both sides. Forwards, backwards, up, down, tilt. The backrests are also power. This is a very supple material. It's almost like a, I don't know, how would you say, like a faux leather. Leatherette, maybe sometimes it's called. But yes, very supple material. Feels great. There's your tilt column. Horn does work. I did notice the tack and the volt gauge. Volt gauge kind of pegged was in op and the tack didn't work. Other than that, it appeared the rest of the gauges work. AC works. Blower works fine. Alpine radio worked. your 4-speed on the floor right there. Why not have a 4-speed if you're gonna have a hot rod, right? And it's a nice setup. Fits easy. Shifter's in the right spot. Car sounds good, runs good, and again, the switches, that's for the power antenna. To the next of it was the cooling fan, electric fan in the front. And again, it did say wipers work. Don't always see that in hot rods. 2 speeds. They're electric. Very nice. All right. Headliner and everything too. Just finished off beautifully in this. Got speakers mounted in the back. You can see it in the pictures. A little 39 logo back there. Look at how nice everything shuts, fits. No crazy over-the-top cam or loud exhaust or anything like that. Just a good sounding 39 Chev. All right, coming up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. As far as opening the hood, I want to show you that quick before I do it. Right here, Allen nut. There's a tool in the glove box. Basically an Allen wrench. Turn it. You'll be able to flip them up, open the hood up. I'm going to pause it and do that, and let's check out this engine bay. All right. As nice engine bay as the outside of the car. There's some nice polished chrome headers, Edelbrock valve covers, Edelbrock intake, MSD ignition, Taylor plug wires. You can see it runs smooth. And again, AC does work in this. Look at this, they've relocated the overflow tank back where there's more room. Just nice little details in this build. Nice having that overflow tank. I've seen where people would have just left that off there and ran the tube to the ground, but no, this is a nice setup. Electric choke. See how smooth that runs and hear how good it sounds. Alright, so there you go. Looking for a nice street rod? Here it is, 1939 Chevy Master Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. Take you right to the pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So check with your sales associate when you call in or email. And it is truly, look at the pictures on this. I don't know if this video does this car justice. It looks great in person. Sand beige, homecoming green. Look forward to hearing from you.